Welcome back to the channel where we talk all things lead generation and web development for tradies. My name is Mitchell and I will be your host for tonight. So, what are we talking about? We're talking about landing pages, Facebook landing pages. Now, I do love Go High Level. There's lots of good things you can do in here, but I'll be honest, I tried to get into the websites and landing pages in here, but I just can't stand the drag and drop crap. So here is the sort of standard looking landing pages, or say Facebook landing pages I might be using in this sort of platform. Actually, we'll just go open that up so you can get a better look. So you got title, subheading, little video, booking calendar, a few bits and bobs. Sometimes I'll have like a survey form here and then it'll be the booking calendar. Actually, I think I got those other pages in here. I'll just show you what they all look like. So see, and then here, this would be the middle page, which is a little bit pushed out of whack. But you get what I mean. Like, it's not terrible, but it's not great sort of thing. So I thought I'd just show you guys how to make some nice landing pages. And if you'd seen any of my videos before, I did one earlier on creating these little AI workspaces and things. So this is the same workspace I was doing that other video on. And what I've done is I've just created a little demo landing page here. Now, this is looking a lot nicer and a lot more professional than that other one. And then I can pull it down to mobile version. Mix in a few images with the reviews and stuff. This is just a default random, can't even play it, video from YouTube. But you get the idea. This, you're going from this looking thing to something like this, which looks a lot more professional. And then, people can choose the services, do a little next thing. And I'm even playing around with throwing in some estimate calculators in here as well. So something like, let me just show you what that looks like. So got that, continue, that. So it's just a few little things, and then you go book job and calendar. And basically what you can do is you can put that down here. And the idea behind that is people can, they can get their estimate or quote quick and then just book themselves straight in. But depending on the business, some people don't like to give away their prices to the enemy. Other people are like, oh, I'm so busy, just set it up so I don't have to keep talking to people on the phone. But you can see how much cleaner and nicer this is. And this is just a simple little HTML page in here. So that's the estimator. There's the landing page. So it's just got a little file for fonts, some of my images, and then index. And then to deploy this, and sorry, before I go any further, how this is connected to here, because you want to connect it to your automations, is just via a webhook. So I don't know if I have it connected to this one. Might have to go and check. But literally, all you're doing to connect this is new trigger, inbound webhook. You grab that, come back over here. You open up your AI, and then you ask it, can you send XYZ information to this webhook? That's a Loom video. but you get the idea. And then it will connect this calculator or whatever form on your landing page to that. And then to deploy that, I like to use Netlify project. And now all I got to do is drag and drop in here. So if I go here, back here, there's my landing page. Go reveal in Finder. Bring that back up here. Grab that landing page, deploy it there. Give it a second to upload. And then I literally just click that. And now I've got my little landing page and I've got it sending information to Go High Level. Now, I'd usually use something like this from when you're sending someone from Facebook ads to a landing page, and this is the type of landing page I'd use. So you can either just send people straight here, or you can have an instant form before that. And usually what I'll do is I'll have an instant form on Facebook before sending them here. And then that way, if people don't go all the way through this, I've still got their details and I can do a little follow-up sequence or reach out. But that just gives you an idea of how easy it is to whip these landing pages up and deploy them using AI in one of these workspaces, rather than messing around with one of these messy sort of choppy, dodgy drag and drop builders, which in here they wouldn't let you do any of this kind of effect or anything like that, because I've tried. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys want a landing page or you want help setting up these sort of automations for your trades business, you can always book a call with me down below and we can have a chat and I can show you how we do it.